start working on getting the radiator support done, and then work on the headlight areas and getting this front end all tied in together so we can work our way back towards the back of the car. So all this cage is made out of 1 3/4 DOM 120 wall. To help change, you know, kind of give it some character, I'm gonna use 1.5 DOM 120 wall to do the core support and the headlight bezel area, just to give it some more character. I think that the different size of tubing will give it a little bit different look, just because the tubing isn't all the same size.
It's a quality Amish beard you got going on. It's a little rough, but
Tube shit. Got Wyatt helping me bend fucking door bars. It's gonna be a good time. Now you just gotta watch.
Oh, and then these guys are just...
Oh, they TikTok like little bitches.
I mean, that even with this, like my knee, that's like perfect.
It's like way out compared to that. Like, it's not gonna be so much an armrest.
Right. I mean, it is.
Which it should be. Checked the mail today. Headers came in, so get these things unboxed and see if they fit. Awesome news, they fit. Got the X put in and setting up a bash bar for the back. The fuel cell almost ready to mount. Check it out. windshield frame and cage tacked or stitched together, and I'm just gonna run a bead of silicone the rest of the way. Just wanted to make sure it wasn't gonna wobble inside of there and flap. Potential to bust the windshield. Working on getting all the other welds done. Still got some filler to do. I'm gonna add onto this rear bumper a little bit more, give a little more character, get a little more done in the front. Still got to do that, but I'm gonna weld off what I have here now. Add a little bit, bracing in here, that tube down there, plate across the top here. Maybe throw a couple gussets in the back with some dimple plates. It's all up in the air yet. I'm just kind of going with the flow, see what I like, see what happens, what I have left of material. This was always a budget build and not trying to get too crazy, but it's coming along.